Hello Infusions! Today's topic is Constructing Male and Female Bodies, Part 1. Have you ever seen a detailed character design but are not sure how to start drawing them? Just remember that all character drawings start from building a basic body structure. We have innovated the VA method to help you get started. The following tutorial is based on 6 head body proportions, but can be adapted to all body types. In a 6 head body type, the head and the torso take up exactly half the body. The body from the neck to the hip joints takes up 2 heads. The male body can be visualized using a letter V that takes up 2 head volumes. The shoulder joints are usually about 1.5 heads distance from the top of the head and intersect the arms of the V. The arms of the V also mark out the chest volume. The male body is approximately straight below the chest, before curving out slightly at the hips. Hips for male bodies are smaller than the shoulders. The female body can be visualized using a letter A. Like the V for the male body, the A takes up 2 head volumes and extends from the neck to the hip joints. The shoulder joints are usually about 1¼ heads distance from the top of the head. The top half of the letter A forms a triangle, and the chest is located at the midpoint level of this triangle. The female body is like an hourglass shape that curves from the shoulders into the A's crossbar before curving out again at the hips. Hips for female bodies are same or wider than the shoulder width. You can think of male and female bodies as reverse versions of each other. The male body is wide at the shoulders and narrow at the hips, while the female body has narrow shoulders and wide hips.